piece of candy.
Are you guys serious? Why can't hold it?
Look, it's a box.
I don't hold it.
Bubble wrap, woohoo! Another bubble. Here you go.
Okay. Open it.
Here you go.
Right here, Aiden. Just tear it apart.
No.
It's shoes.
Yeah, it is.
Careful, careful, careful.
Yeah. There's tape on there.
Another candy. Yay!
Yeah, I love these candies. All right, yeah. Yeah.
Hey, my favorite.
Oh, yeah, Twix. Yeah. Oh, yeah, what's this?
One by one. AJ first, then Mina.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, what's good? What's good?
Okay, AJ, look at the camera with your phone. What do you say? Look at the camera with your phone.
What do I say?
What did I tell you earlier? Thank you, Tita Leah.
Thank you, Tita Leah.
For what?
My phone. And the candy.
Okay, Mina's turn.
Thank you, Tita Leah.
What's that?
So let's start.
Hey.
Oh, I don't know if we need this.
Hey.
Oh, it's for me.
What is that?
Thank you, Tita Leah.
$50. Hard score.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Aw.